Do you want to make money with your Cricut from home? Today I'm going to show you how. Hey everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com. I've had my own business working from home since my first daughter was born in 2009. And I have never regretted that decision. Today, I am so happy to be partnering up with Cricut, who is sponsoring this video today. And I'm gonna share with you 5 steps to starting your own business from home with your Cricut machine. I'm also gonna share 7 items that I have seen trending right now this year that you could get started making. Before I had the DIY Mommy blog and then the YouTube channel, I had my own little handmade baby goods business. So I certainly learned a lot from having my own handmade business. So I wanted to share those tips and tricks with you today and how you could incorporate a Cricut machine into your own handmade business. In case you're new to them, Cricuts are a craft cutting machine. You can cut a variety of different materials, vinyls, heat transfer vinyl, so that iron-on material. You can even cut what's called infusible ink and apply that to things like pillows, and Cricut just released their new machine, the mug press, so you can apply that to mugs as well to get a really professional look. I've been using my Cricut machine since 2017. I absolutely love them, and I think they would be such a great tool to invest in if you want to start your own handmade business. Step number 1 to starting your own business with Cricut is to do your product research. Check to see what's trending right now that you could make with your machine. And that's gonna help you to get some customers right away because you know what people are looking for. So I did all of this research for you already. I checked out Etsy, I checked out other online marketplaces to kind of see what was popping up the most in products that you could cut with your Cricut machine. So here are the top 7 products I'm seeing. Use this information to make your own unique products and really get your business going. Number 1 are sweatshirts. Everybody loves personalized sweatshirts with fun sayings on them. Number 2 are personalized tumblers. I love a tumbler like this, just a simple personalized one with your name on it. These are so easy to make. People love their on-the-go cups, so they're not using disposable cups, and I think they would be a great thing to start with. Number 3 are personalized cutting boards. I've been seeing these everywhere. I made a really fun cutting board for fall last year, and these are also simple to make with your Cricut as well. You can cut out vinyl and apply it to a cutting board. Pillows are also still really popular right now with Cricut, and the modern farmhouse style, as long as it's been around, is still trending. Creating a pillow is really simple. I like to use infusible ink for mine. This one I use infusible ink, and I really love that professional finish because the ink kind of blends right into the fabric and makes it look so professional. The next one I'm seeing is doormats. You can make a stencil with the Cricut stencil vinyl and make a really fun and cheeky design or something more personalized, and those are selling really well still as well. The next one are t-shirts. People love fun personalized t-shirts, and those are really simple to make with Cricut. Again, I prefer the infusible ink for these for a really beautiful transfer that lasts, but you can also make these with heat transfer vinyl. And the final product I'm seeing that you can make with your Cricut and sell are labels. People love to organize their pantries, their closets, or they might even want some labels for their own handmade business, and you could create those with Cricut and permanent vinyl or removable vinyl. This is also a really great DIY to do if you're relatively new to Cricut. When you're researching your product, check for any regulations around selling your product. You might have to look into safety regulations where you live and marketing regulations as well. Also check to see how much your product is going to cost to create, how much time you're going to have to put into your product, and then how much you can sell it for based on the cost everyone else is selling a similar product for. You want to make sure that you're going to get a profit from what you create. Step number 2 to starting your Cricut business is research your competition. So once you have done your product research, you have an idea of what you want to create, check out all of the other sellers online and locally who are selling a similar product. Check to see what they're selling and how you can make your product stand out. So if, for example, they're selling some personalized tumblers with their Cricut as well, think about how you can make yours stand out. Are you going to have a specific style that you use, a specific type of vinyl? Are you going to maybe create your own artwork, upload that into Cricut Design Space and put that on the tumblers to make it unique? You definitely want to stand out from the rest of your competitors. Number 3 is customer research. Try to find out who exactly is going to buy your product. How old are they? Are they a man or a woman? Where do they live? What kind of income do they have? Researching all of that is going to help you create a product that is perfect for your consumer. You want to know who they are, imagine exactly what they're looking for, and create a product that they're going to love. Number 4 is establishing your brand. Now that you've done those first 3 important steps, which are research, which I think is really important before starting any handmade business, you want to create branding so that your product and your brand is memorable. I used to be a graphic and web designer, so I totally geek out on this stuff. I love this. You're going to want to create a name that's unique. Definitely check out your local trademark office, do a search, make sure nobody else is using the name you're thinking of. You can also search on Etsy, on the web in general, to make sure your name is really unique and sticks out. Then you want to create a unique logo. You can do this yourself, or you can find someone locally or online to make one for you. Decide what the feel of your brand is going to be. Is it going to be more farmhouse, more modern, kitschy, retro? And then find some colors that you're going to use in your branding every single time to make people remember who you are and match those colors with your brand every time. You're also going to want to buy domain names and the social media channels that match that domain name. Get all of those purchased and reserved so that everything is all the same. And the 5th and final step to selling your products with Cricut is to start selling. You want to start selling and marketing your product after you've done all of the previous steps, the research, setting up your brand. You can start at places like local craft fairs, or maybe virtual craft fairs are happening a lot right now, and just kind of test your local market first if you'd like. Or you can start right away and venture into opening up an Etsy store. It's really simple. I'll leave a link to setting that up in the description box below. I've had a couple over the years. They do take a commission, but then you have an automatic huge audience to market to. There's also Amazon Handmade, and there's even Facebook Marketplace. I've also seen people selling their products directly on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. So social media is a really fantastic way to get your product out there. I'd also highly recommend having your own website from the beginning. It's not very expensive. You can buy your domain, set up a WordPress site, you can install that, get someone to help you, and then you can sell products right there through something like Shopify, which you can connect right to your WordPress site and sell directly. Even if you don't want to sell directly from your site, it's always good to have kind of your own home base that's your very own, that isn't part of social media. I'd recommend, though, definitely marketing your product through social media. It's such a fantastic tool. My business now, the DIY Mommy, is based solely off of social media, so I definitely know that you can create a business using social media as your marketing tool. TikTok is huge right now, and if the target demographic you want to sell to is Gen Z, Millennial, even Gen X is on there right now, you might want to get on TikTok and start showing behind the scenes video of how you're making your Cricut products, showing your finished product, and seeing what kind of reaction you get there. So those are my 5 steps on how to start a handmade business with Cricut. If you've ever thought of doing this, I think there is a lot of opportunity out there to make products and sell them locally or online. Thanks again to Cricut for sponsoring this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of these steps. If you sell handmade items and I've missed something, I would love to hear your suggestions. Let everybody know the tips and tricks you have for selling handmade items. We would love to hear them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. I'm gonna leave some more videos that I hope you will love, and watch next right up here.